So the next new little wrinkle from the chapter is the idea of tell. So if in our previous example we were able to move essentially the playhead, right? Where it was that we were looking to get access to a record, we could move around our file. But what happens when you've been running your file operation for a while and you no longer have access to where it is in your file your playhead is? So the tellg function here, and we can see that on line 27, file.tellg. What this does is it reports back on the playhead for the file. So I want an offset from the beginning of my file, and I'll say 12. Cannot read past the end of the file. Why did we get that? Because if the offset is greater than the number of bytes of the file, so that's my offset, where it was that I wanted to move my playhead to, I can't do that. I'm going to go well past my end of file marker there, and we don't want to be able to do that. So that's what we can use tellg to be able to do for us. We can figure out the number of bytes that exist in our file. We can figure out where it is that our playhead happens to be at here in the file, and then we can continue to access a record, an individual record, based on a structure which we can reverse engineer by knowing how many bytes that structure is, how many bytes our total file is, and that allows us to operate very, very efficiently and very quickly, which, remember, quicker is faster is cheaper when we are referring to the file operation here for, and no, I don't want to do this again, for this particular aspect, tellg.